Hello there, this is Lynn Allen coming to you with another AutoCAD tip courtesy of Cadalyst magazine. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm coming to you from Dublin. Very excited about attending the Revit Technology Conference this week, but back to you. Today we're going to be talking about a system variable that is very important if you do a lot of offsets, all right? And I'm sure many of you do. And the system variable is called the offset gap type. I know, easy for you to say, offset gap type. All right, let's start off by just doing a simple offset on this closed polyline. Okay, I don't know why I typed the whole thing in. All you need is an O. All right, be better than me. So I already have a distance set, so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to select this object to offset. Love the preview, right? So if I come to the outside, in order to offset that, AutoCAD is going to extend the polylines where it needs to get it to meet, to do that offset. Okay, offset gap type right now is set to 0, and it will simply extend those polylines to get the desired offset. All right, let's see what happens if we change the offset gap type system variable to 1. I know you can hardly wait. All right, let's see, offset gap type. Let's set it to 1. All right, let's try that again. Let's erase that last one that I did. Let's go back into offset. I only used one character that time. I already have a distance. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this. Look at that. Can you see that when I offset it to the outside, it puts a fillet in on those corners. And rumor has it that the radius of that fillet is equal to the same value as the offset distance. Pretty crazy. All right, but just so you can take a look at that. So if you have offset gap type set to 1, because we know it starts at 0, right? Then it's going to fillet that particular situation, those corners. All right? Undo that. Let's see what happens if we set offset gap type to 2. Oh my goodness, what's going to happen now? Let's go back into the offset command. We have a setting for the distance. I'm going to go ahead and select my closed polyline. And you know, if you move it to the inside, you're not going to notice anything. It doesn't have to do anything complicated. But if I move it to the outside, can you see that in this case it chamfered the angles up there? Those lines that it extends have chamfers now. So if you set offset gap type to 0, it just simply extends it and does the offset that most of us expect. If you set it to 1, it's going to add a fillet radius in equal to the distance that you have for the offset. And if you set it to 2, it's going to chamfer it. Crazy. All right, so the setting that you have for offset gap type makes a big difference. So I hope that you will take that into consideration the next time that you go into the offset command. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you back here in 2 more weeks. Thank you for joining me.